Hi.
Howdy.
Vacuum pump.
Yep.
The bottom bolt on it wouldn't even tighten down all the way, just the top two were.
That's cute. This reminds me a lot of the 7.3 vacuum pump. Fun. It's like the same type of crap. Yeah. Alright, it sucks. It does not blow.
So it only does half the job?
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna call this ex-wife. Anyway, so I'm trying to find one. Of course, no one has it. But they're all basically the same. So I'm curious to see if one from a different model year, it's the same bolt pattern, you know, like it's an inlet and an outlet, and it's a diaphragm. So it sounds like the diaphragm's stuck, which explains why we had sucky or blowy out of the booster. Sorry, I'm a little tired.
We all are.
Yeah, it's been a day. It's been a busy week, actually. So, that's fun. So I'm gonna get to finding one.
Yay.
Yay.